There's our little traveler here. Shalom, Nabi Shalom. El Capitan, the most famous rock climbing wall in the history of rock climbing in Yosemite. Wow. We can't find the key to open the tire, so we need to open this. Okay. Yeah! Oh, freedom, baby.
Let's go now.
And we discovered that we have a little traveler with us. Somebody hitchhiked with us. We don't know if it's from Yosemite or this guy came with us from home. All right, we found our campsite at Twin Lakes. A lot of trees, very, very beautiful view. There is like this little trail here. Whoa! It's time for dessert. It's covered with snow or ice. Super cool to see.